Hello friends, my name is Animesh, and in this video section I am going to explain the what is the concept of none data type in Python, right? So suppose if you wanted to define a variable which do not contain any value, right? Suppose in you define a or you define a where you do not want it to store any value in it, right? So what will happen? Suppose you just define a simple a, and if you are going to run it, right, so you are getting the error like a name a is not defined, right? But the thing is that you wanted to define a variable a, and that variable is not storing any value. So in that case, in other programming language like in C programming language, we have a pointer concept. In the pointer concept, suppose if you are going to define any pointer, and that pointer is not going to hold any address of the any variable, then what you do, you just put a null to that pointer, right? The same concept it is in the Java, that is called the null to the making the variable, and in Python we have that is the same concept, that is called none. So what here we do, just simply I will put a none, none, right? And if I am going to run this cell, it will not show any error. Now if you are going to check print type a, so what it will show, it will show that class none type, right? So like this way you can define the none data type in Python programming language, and it is very useful in some of the cases where you are going to define a variable and that variable is not going to store, that variable is not assigning any value. So in that case what you will do, you just simply make your variable to be the none. Okay, so thank you. I hope you understand this concept, how to define the none data type in Python.